Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aparna Ashtaputra Shisode. Hope you have started doing the relaxation technique that we have done in the last video. Today we'll try to understand one more relaxation technique. Now this relaxation technique is called as visualization. In this visualization, you can sit, you can lay down, you can be in any position where you feel comfortable. So if you are comfortable, you can do this relaxation technique. Now this relaxation technique is really very effective for the people who are very imaginative, who can visualize the things, who can see the things when the things are not in front of them. So what to do? Sit or lie in any comfortable, I'll say be in a comfortable position and take 5 breath, long deep breath, and then try to visualize any beautiful scene that you have been or imaginary. Like you can be on a beach and slowly you can start that you are on the beach, the air is coming, the wind is coming, the sound of waves are coming, and you are walking and the water is touching to your legs and so on. So this is something visualization that you can do, and then you can go in this visualization for as many minutes as you want, and then later on when you finish this, you again take 5 deep breaths and then can open your eyes. This is very good for children. Children are very good at imagination, so they can visualize very well. So if the kids are there who are having stress, who are frustrated, who are having disturbed behavior, then definitely this will help them. What we can do is either we can ask them to give instruction to themselves, or we can give them instruction. In visualization, you can give instruction to yourself, or you can have a music playing in your ears in a background and just try to visualize the things. So this can be very helpful. You can tell kids that just lay down in a comfortable position and close eyes and take 5 deep breaths, and then you can start saying that you are in a very garden and all fresh flowers are there surrounding you. You can tell the colors of flowers, yellow, and you can be very slow because the words are quite fast, and when we visualize it take time. So while doing this technique, very important tip is that you have to be very slow. Like take deep breath and then you can wait, and then you are in a garden and there are beautiful flowers around you. The colors of the flowers are red, pink. So this is something that after every word you can have a pause, and then you can go on, like the butterflies are there, honeybees are going around, you have become a honeybee and you are sucking the nectar from the flowers and all, and you can have at whatever imagination that you can that you want. So this is something which will give you a very quick and a good relaxation. Like if you are in an office place or where you cannot lay down, then this imagination, visualization, relaxation can really help us. Now to enhance the relaxation, or if you want the maximum benefit of relaxation, what we can do is we can combine the muscle relaxation and visualization together. Now how to do that? Like first you can have a muscular relaxation, step by step all the muscles are relaxed, then visualize, and then again go deep breathing and then get up, and I'm sure you will definitely feel fresh. Whatever stresses you are having, your body have covered it. It has trying to do all the wear and tear that has happened. It has been correcting. So this can be done in the combination, or it can be done in single way. This both will help us to be relaxed in any situation. As we practice it, the more practice we will have, the more relaxed we will feel, and we can face this stress, tension, anxiety, frustration, all the negative emotions with the confidence. They will be there, but then we can face them, we can handle them, we can challenge them. Hope this will help you and you will do the practice every day. In next video, we'll see something new about the therapies. Thank you very much.